Hello tech enthusiasts! Today we got some fascinating news coming out of China that is making waves in the military world. Leaked Pentagon documents have given us a glimpse into China's plans to develop and deploy a supersonic spy drone in the future. The drone, named WZ-8, is rocket-propelled and can theoretically travel at 3 times the speed of sound. It was unveiled in 2019, but few analysts believed it was operational at the time. But now documents have been released allegedly from the National Geospatial-Intelligence Agency of the US, which reveal that China's military is advancing technologically with its surveillance systems. This drone is just one of the many espionage and military developments plotted out in the documents. The satellite imagery, dated August 9, 2022, shows 2 WZ-8 rocket-propelled surveillance drones at an airbase 350 miles from Shanghai. What's more, the documents indicate that the drones are launched from bomber aircraft and have similar speeds to the iconic Lockheed Martin SR-72 Blackbird, which can achieve speeds of Mach 6. The deployment of these drones is especially noteworthy as military tensions between Taiwan and mainland China continue to rise. Last week, the Chinese military released a film depicting what an assault on the island nation might look like, further indicating the increasing threat posed by China's military advancements. It's clear that China is rapidly advancing with its surveillance and military capabilities, and implications of this development on geopolitics should not be underestimated. Keep an eye out for further developments in this space, and we'll be sure to keep you updated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech news from us.